Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Drive. To know how to find the solution about Google Drive app, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to the app of Google Drive and we click. Here in this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. After that we click clear cache. Then you can go to your airplane mode and you can turn on. After that you can wait 3 seconds to turn off your airplane mode again. If it's not working with you, then you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.